Hello, I'm excited to show you what arrived at my doorstep today, and these are some of the Green Workshop goodies that I have been eyeing for a while now. And I finally pulled the trigger, so let's check out what I will be adding to my Hacker EDC. Okay, so let's go through this one by one. These are the dog tag tools that they have that I have ordered. So let's check it out. And this one is a multi-wrench tool with different sizes, as you can see. Now included in the packaging is a rubber side that you can put on the tool like an actual dog tag. The reason why I bought this dog tags tools is because I have this beautiful necklace, and there's something that I will be adding here. Okay, so that's the multi-wrench tool. Very nice. This is another one. Let's put it there. This is the lock picking tool. If I can figure out how to open it. Okay, so here. Okay, now the nice thing with Workshop is that all of these tools are reusable. If I would be able, like for example, this one, if I ever able to take it out, as you can see, this has a sticky portion to it. So after you have removed it here, you can just simply put it back like this. See? Very nice. Okay, that is the lock picking tool, by the way. Okay, we'll be trying out in future videos. And lastly, on this dog tag tools that they have is this. This is a flint tool that has a mini saw that you can use also. So this is a flint tool, and let's see what's the description. Yeah, hot shot fire starting dog tag. So what you'll do is you have this carbon flint. I think it's carbon, or I think it's flint, but it is a fire starter. So this is really useful. I am an outdoor enthusiast, and this is something that I want in my EDC tool. Okay, now let's go through the micro tools that they have. So this is just the equivalent of the things that I've shown you earlier. This one is a micro tool equivalent, if I can open it, the micro tool equivalent of that dog tag tool that I have shown to you. Okay, because as you know, I do have an Altoid EDC here, and I would like to update this, and these tools are something that can be easily fit into my EDC. The next one would be a multi-wrench, like the dog tag tool that I've shown you earlier. And this is really thin, as you can see. And it's really nice. I just noticed that sometimes, yeah, there's some sharp, it's not smooth, the edges, like on this one. So just be careful. You should like remove it, or yeah, remove those things before you use it so that you don't get wounded. Okay, but this, oh, see, really nice. Now, instead of just getting one piece of a lock picking tool, I have a multiple one. As you can see, this is just the size of my thumb. I was really surprised how small the micro tools is. And this tin can is really nice also, as you can see. Let's just open it. And this contains 3 different types of lock picking tools here. if I can. Yeah, I'm still struggling to remove this. Yeah, hey! So, these are three lockpicking tools that you have. You can see there's a rake, and this rake also can be your turning tool. The same here, uh, a rake with a turning tool, and this is an actual hook with a turning tool. So this one will be replacing, because I have here, let's just remove it. So this one will be replacing this very big um, jackknife lockpicking tool that I have here on my Altoids EDC. And lastly, I have this is a lockpicking tool too. And this is a really, really nice case. A sliding case, as you can see. And like the other ones, I have, oh, this has two. Okay, so two pieces of lockpicking tool here. Okay, so you have, what do you call it? So let's see. You have the CT rake. Yeah, you have a, what you call it, a hook with some rake. So this one is usually being used in competition. You try to rake it. There are some pins that you set because of the raking, and with just a switch you can just um, hook what are the remaining ones. Okay, so yeah, this one's the same. And what I am planning here is that I would have something like this. Yes, obviously it will fit. And this one is a MagSafe type of wallet that I can have in my cell phone. So that's my plan there. But yeah, this is a really, really nice. And also the tin can is really, really nice. So that's something that I will be reusing in some of my EDC things that I would like to carry on to. But yeah, overall the quality are really, really nice. It is, even this one, like for example, this one is really, really thin. Yeah, it it really holds up. And this being reusable, unlike the other ones that you can see on the market, that's a big thumbs up. So there you have it, my new Grim Workshop addition to my Hacker EDC. So let me know in my comments what are your favorite and what are your carrying in your own hacker focus EDC if you ever have one. And if you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos here on Hakista TV. Till next time, and always remember, keep on hacking my fellow Hakista.